So, I'm gonna go outside and I'm looking for things that will protect me. Okay, I need a hat. I need a hat to protect my ears from all these things. Okay, let me just put this here. There. And I need of course, my phone. So, backup camera. And what else? I got my phone for my backup camera. Gloves. I got the big gloves out there. So, okay. I'm just gonna hold the GoPro like this, like hands. So, and I'm gonna try to vlog. Okay. I'm gonna mount this here for now. There. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Oh, it might fall. So, okay. Whoa, too bright. Okay, bye for now. Let me see. You get my what is this boots, so I don't slip. Because although there is it looks like from the surface snow, underneath that is black ice, so you don't want to slip. There. All right. Okay. Going outside. Don't have my keys. No, I don't have my keys. So, gotta look for the keys so I can get in just in case. So, where are the keys? Keys. We'll go outside and try to do some vlogging going on. So leave that open. Air is cold, so eventually I might have to do this. But also, I'm gonna get my shades. My shades in the car, because you need it to not blind you from all this snow. So let me see what I can do. Okay. There. Oh, that's it. Found it. Let me set the camera up there, so not to blind my eye from all the glare. Let me start the car, see if the engine works from all this freeze. Okay, so it'll work. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is go to where I usually walk and then feature it. Well, I'm just gonna go over there in the main street and then see what's going on. Well, there's nothing going on. It's just like snow. Look at this. A truck left, or a car came in, and I'm gonna follow the track But following the track, that means I'm stepping on black ice, so I'm gonna step on snow. It's probably better that way. Okay, whoo. It's cold. You don't want to breathe this air. So you don't want to breathe that cold air, not directly. There's a car. So, okay, there. This, see, it's ice underneath. Underneath the snow is ice, and you can slip there. So I'll step on the snow because there's a layer that I won't slip. Can you guys still hear me? Yeah, microphone is still on. So, woo! It's like a barren landscape. It's good to take maybe a photography thingy. Let me just set that up. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. Just take a little photography of this thing. There. Hands are freezing, but good thing I accumulated equipment over the years that it will protect me from weather. Because as a hiker, I'm not so much of a prepper, but I do hike. So as a hiker, you want the best equipment that your body can use to protect itself from elements. And this oh, that's look at that. That's a nice thing to photograph. Let me set up my tripod and do a little photography. There. Whew. Okay. Walk some more. I'm just gonna walk towards the beginning of the street. See what's going on in there. Look at my shadow. Oh, it's hard. Snow is hard. It must be hard for, like, if you're like out there in the like cabin, or, well, if you're out there, then you best be prepared to just camp out. Or not. If you live there, then you already know what you're into, living in those conditions. What am I talking about? But I'm not gonna talk about anything. I'm just gonna show things. Look, that. Oh, this is ice. See, there's water underneath, and there's ice. See, I'm slipping. You don't wanna step on that. You wanna step on snow. I guess the road is open, but you could slip. So it's too risky to go out. And what would be the reason to go out? Definitely not truck driving with this condition. Look at that. I'm gonna cross the street. There. And oh, this is hard. This is ice. And I'm stepping on this ice. I'll take a photo of that bus stop. Oh, look at that one. Huh. What if I lay down on this thing and do the on the street like this, and then do the angel thing? No. Ah. Well, I did form the angel. See? Not the feet. Here goes the wings. Whew. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh. The Jeep has good traction in its tires. So, but this one is ice underneath. Underneath that is ice. Okay. Let me go home. But before I go home, I'll take a picture of that one. That. I can hear the ice and the snow crushed as I step on it, like crinkly. I'm not gonna step on that side because that's water underneath. So, oh, look at that car. I can feel that I'm stepping on ice here underneath this thin snow because it's been scraped already, or the tires compacted it. So Look how thick that is. It's about like, what, 4 inches there, but on other sides it's like 6 inches of snow. So really big. Oh, look, that's a good picturesque thing. I'll take a picture of that. All right. No sipon mo digi tapos pak maging yellow. Gravity. I'm curious to go to Walmart and see what's going on out there. You know, just documenting what's going on. It looks like no, because this one he'll slip here. Even if I drive really slow because no one is around. But no, I don't want to risk it. What's out there? Well, it's better to walk it and head to where I'm going, close by. Maybe the park, Friendship Park. I'll do that. Let me change camera and battery and all that stuff.